Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to decrease or adjust your brightness on your Google Pixel 7a. So, if notification panel not work, don't worry. Open your menu, then open the settings application, or directly open your settings application from anywhere. Okay. So, from the menu, open the application, then open display and touch. Then you can see first option, brightness level. Now it is on the 50 something percentage, and you can simply adjust that slider to decrease or increase the brightness of your display. So that's, guys, in normal way it is very easy to use that with our notification panel. And if your notification panel said touch is not working, then you can access this method from the settings. You can simply adjust the brightness. So that's, guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so I can easily watch and understand it. Normally you can simply adjust this brightness from the notification panel. If that panel is not working, then you can use this trick. So that's, guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.